दोस्तों सुप्रभात, गुड मॉर्निंग। मेरा नाम अरुण है और मेरे ख्याल से हम लोग काफ़ी समय बाद बातें कर रहे हैं। देयर हैज़ बीन अ ब्रेक बिकॉज आई हैव बीन राइटिंग माय बुक्स and hence we could not speak through videos, but videos are very close to my heart, and they are not only close to my heart. I think the entire world is now enjoying and watching a lot of videos. The consumption is pretty high if you look at the data on YouTube, and that's because it helps you in getting the things very clearly, very fast. You can see it, you can hear the music, and then it becomes a part of your thought process. दोस्तों, आज का टॉपिक है जिसके बारे में हम बातें करने जा रहे हैं। आज का टॉपिक है फोकस। इफ यू वांट टू अटेन एनी थिंग इन लाइफ, एनी बिग थिंग इन लाइफ, द फर्स्ट थिंग विच आई हैव सीन as one of the key requirements for you to build as a part of your life habits and your routine is फोकस। एंड दोस्तों, फोकस की जरूरत इसलिए है कि आज की दुनिया डिस्ट्रैक्शन की दुनिया। यू जस्ट लुक एट द टेलीविजन न्यूज चैनल्स, you look at the TV news channels, so they are talking about a lot of things. The same news is being repeated throughout the day. They are repeating it in such a manner that you will start thinking about those. You look at Netflix, you look at the way Google News is taking shape. They all are talking about coronavirus. They are talking about the spread of pandemic across the country in various states. A lot of data, statistics is also there. Now, in this world of distraction, when people are talking about so many things, how to ensure that, for example, if I just take one example, how to ensure that while the world is talking about the pandemic, you are still busy moving towards your goals on daily basis. You are using this time which you are saving because of lack of or less of travel to keep on moving in the direction which you have set for you. And this is going to be possible only through one thing, and that is focus. दोस्तों, फोकस डेवलप करने के लिए जिंदगी में मैंने दो चीजें देखी है, दो काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं। पहली चीज है, यू शुड बी एबल टू सी द बेनिफिट, द रिवॉर्ड्स, द वाई पार्ट ऑफ व्हाट यू वांट टू अटेन इन लाइफ. Try to visualize the rewards of the goals which you are going to achieve. For example, if you want to become the CEO in a company, you should be able to see the benefit, the rewards of being a CEO. So the kind of financial freedom which you get, the kind of respect which you get, the kind of power which you get, so you can do things which you always wanted to do. So positional power gives you that ability, that freedom, that flexibility, and that sense of control to make things happen as per your thoughts. You have got a purpose to create or build a huge and successful organization, and now by being the CEO, you are going to get all the powers coming to you. That's very important. By being the CEO, you also get hundreds and thousands of people working in your team, and hence you start getting thousands of pairs of hands to execute the plans which you're going to set along with your management team, your employees. So that's the kind of influence, impact which you can create. So what I'm trying to say is that this is just one example. You need to be able to see the benefits, the rewards. You need to be able to visualize the impact of the goal which you are trying to accomplish, achieve, fulfill, attain, get. That's very important. So the first point is the able to visualize the rewards. The why part is very important. If you've got this part very clearly, now coming to the second point. The second point is that in this world of distraction, and that is where we started this video from. In this world of distraction, you need to be focused towards your goal. And friends, the best way for you to do this, the best way for you to attain this goal is to make your vision board or write your goal somewhere. Take a piece of paper, maybe take a chart paper, and then paint the picture of your goal. Maybe if you want to become the CEO, try to make a collage using some pictures where you can show some CEOs who are sitting in the corner office. I'm just taking this as one example. The examples could be many. For example, this could be in the field of you becoming a gymnasium instructor. This could be in the field of you becoming an author. This could be in the field of you becoming a motivational speaker. This could be in the field of you becoming a very good husband, very good parent. This could be in the field of you attaining your dream house, you purchasing a farmhouse, you making your a dream villa. This could be anything, but it's very important that you should be able to focus towards your goal, because we all have got the same 24 hours, same 24 hours and same 7 days every week. Or दोस्तों, unless you have got the focus, you are going to use your time in various other things which are going to take your focus and attention, and then your intensity of actions are going to be very less towards the goal that you have set. And the world is all about intensity, consistency, persistence, repetition of action, you know. Hence it's very important for you to first to do what? First to visualize the benefits, the rewards, and the pleasure of attaining your goal. And second is to maintain focus. And the best way for you to maintain focus is to make your vision board or write your goals and keep the goals in front of you so that your eyes see those goals every single day. And once you do that, your eyes will give the message to your subconscious mind. So ये message directly आपके अवचेतन मन को जाएगा. And once you build a mindset of focus, your subconscious mind has to get this message every single day. And that's the reason I always talk about the power of early morning habits, because when I talk about waking up early in the morning, I'm not talking about the early morning habits per se. I'm talking about the ability for you to spend some time with yourself. What I mean to say is that the ability to spend some time with your goals every single day in the morning. Morning is the best time. Morning is once again the best time for you to go through your goals. It may not take you more than 5 minutes time, but you must be able to look at your vision board. You must be able to see your goals. If possible, just keep a legal pad like this. For example, this is my goal sheet, and I will just click through the pages. You can get it on Amazon. For example, you can get it anywhere, and then just go writing your goals every single day. Just repeat your goals, write your goals. So you can write your goals every single day here, or else you can write your goals and display those and see those and read those aloud. For example, you can look at your vision board, your goal sheet, your dream collage, and just say loudly that I am going to become that. I have become the CEO of this organization of a reputed multinational by this date. Mention the date, right? Make a realistic goal, make a goal which is huge. Make a goal or make a vision board which reminds you of your gigantic, your amazingly great and huge goals every single day. दोस्तों, अपने गोल के बारे में हमेशा सोचिए. Always remember one thing: if you do not take the responsibility, accountability, and if you do not take it as your duty to remind yourself of your goals, of your vision, nobody in this world is going to do so for you. The only person who's going to take the responsibility of thinking of your goals, your dreams, your vision, what you want to achieve in life is you. That's all. And make it a habit every single day, at least for 5 minutes time, you're going to look at your goals. So coming back to the 2 points which you spoke about, if you want to attain a huge degree of success in life, the first thing is that the power of visualization of rewards and benefits and actual final outcomes, the actual final magical outcomes which you are going to see happening in your life. It's just one life, make it great. That's one thing. The second thing is the power of focus. And for you to be able to focus on your goals, the actionable item, the actionable piece is for you to write your goals every single day, or else make a set of your goals, write a set of your goals and display those at a place where you can see it. And you can also do it through vision board. So we shall talk about it separately in one of the videos. I've spoken about it, but I'm going to make a separate video around vision board. I keep on conducting programs. If you want me to conduct a 1-hour session on vision board, please let me know. And then you get that focus, that laser beam focus, which is going to burn any obstacle which may come in your way, in the way to your success. On this note, let me share with you that it's early morning hour. It's almost maybe 5:45 in the morning, and I'm here recording this video for you, because I want you to be happier, more successful, healthier, and absolutely a great person in life. Once again, it's just one life, make it great. Take care, and never forget one thing, that you are going to become successful provided you are keeping the company of some people who are going to inspire. And I'm pretty sure that there are many people who can do so, but you can count on me. I'm going to be there with you to inspire you, to ensure that you maintain your focus towards your goals, and to ensure that you are always there, always there, always there, thinking big, dreaming big, and visualizing big. Always remember, visualization and focus. That's the message for today. Take care, stay great, and have a great day. Bye bye.